Computational and Systems Biology Assignment Help. For any assignment-related queries, call us at +1 678 648 4277. You can mail us at info@nursingsassignmenthelp.com or reach us at https://www.nursingsassignmenthelp.com. Problem set 4. Bayesian networks, refining protein structures in PY Rosetta, mutual information of protein residues, 21 points, due Thursday, April 17 at noon. Python scripts. All Python scripts must work on Athena using /usr/athena/bin/python. You may not assume availability of any third-party modules unless you are explicitly instructed so. You are advised to test your code on Athena before submitting. Please only modify the code between the indicated bounds, with the exception of adding your name at the top, and remove any print statements that you added before submission. Electronic submissions are subject to the same late homework policy as outlined in the syllabus. Syllabus and submission times are assessed according to the server clock. Any Python programs you add code to must be submitted electronically as .py files on the course website using appropriate file name for the scripts as indicated in the problem set or in the skeleton scripts provided on course website. P1 Bayesian networks. You are given two different Bayesian network structures 1 and 2, each consisting of 5 binary random variables A, B, C, D, E. Each variable corresponds to a gene, whose expression can be either ON or OFF. Using assignmenthelp.com. Network 1, Network 2. In class, we covered the chain rule of probability for Bayes nets, which allows us to factor the joint probability over all the variables into terms of conditional probabilities. For each of the following cases, factor P, A, B, C, D, E, according to the independencies specified and give the minimum number of parameters required to fully specify the distribution. A, B, C, D, E are all mutually independent. P, A, B, C, D, E equals P, A, P, B, P, C, P, D, P, E, 5 parameters, probability that each of the 5 genes is ON, independent of others. 2. A, B, C, D, E follow the independence assumptions of network number 1 above. P, A, B, C, D, E equals P, A, P, B, P, C, A, P, D, A, B, P, E, A, C, D, 16 parameters, 1 for P, A, 1 for P, B, 2 for P, C, A, 4 for P, D, A, B, and 8 for P, E, A, C, D. 3. A, B, C, D, E follow the independence assumptions of network number 2 above. Using assignmenthelp.com. P, A, B, C, D, E equals P, A, P, B, A, P, C, A, P, D, A, B, P, E, D. 11 parameters, 1 for P, A, 2 for P, B, A, 2 for P, C, A, 4 for P, D, A, B, 2 for P, E, D. 4. No independencies. P, A, B, C, D, E cannot be simplified. 25 minus 1 is equal to 31 parameters. There are 32 combinations of A, B, C, D, E, must sum to 1. B. Using network number 2 and the probabilities given below, calculate the probability of the following. I, P, A equals ON, B equals ON, C equals ON, D equals ON, E equals ON, P, A equals ON, B equals ON, C equals ON, D equals ON, E equals ON equals P, A equals ON, P, B equals ON, A equals ON, P, C equals ON, A equals ON, P, D equals ON, A equals ON, B equals ON, P, E equals ON, D equals ON equals 0.6, 0.95, 0.5, 0.95, 0.1 equals 0.0271. Using assignmenthelp.com. 2, P, E equals on A equals on B, D, and E are conditionally independent of C given A, so C drops out. Therefore, we sum over the 4, B, D, possibilities. B, D, P, B, A equals on P, D, A equals on B, P, E equals on a D, P, E equals on B, D, A equals on 0.950.950.10.09025, on off 0.950.050.80.038, off on 0.050.90.10.0045. Summing over the last column, we obtain P, E equals on A equals 0.13675. Off on 0.050.90.10.0045, off 0.050.10.80.004. Musingassignmenthelp.com. 3. P, A equals on E equals on, by Bayes' rule. We already have P, E equals on A equals on from 2, so we just need P, E equals on A equals OFF. B, D, P, B, A equals of F, P, D, A equals off B, P, E equals on a D, P, E equals on B, D, A equals off. On 0.10.30.10.003, on off 0.10.70.80.056, off on 0.90.10.10.009, off 0.90.90.80.648. Summing over the last column, we obtain P equals on A equals off equals 0.716. Therefore, musingassignmenthelp.com. See, for the rest of this problem, you will be using the Python module Pebble, https://code.google.com/p/pebl-project, which provides an environment for learning the structure of a Bayesian network. Just like PyRosetta, Pebble has been installed on Athena, and we will provide instructions for how to complete this problem on Athena's dial-up service. You are, of course, free to download Pebble yourself and complete the problem locally. Log on to Athena's dial-up service. SSH your Kerberos username at athena.dialup.mit.edu. Before running any Python scripts, use the following command to add the Athena Pebble module to your Python path. Export Python path equals /afs/athena/course/20/20.320/python lib/python 2.7/site packages/. If you forget to do this, you will get importer, no module named Pebble when you try to run the provided scripts. Additional information about Pebble and its modules can be found here. https://pythonhosted.org/pebl/apiref.html #APIREF. You will also need to get the .zip containing the files for this problem in the course folder. Musingassignmenthelp.com. cd/AFS/Athena/course/7/7.91/SP_2014 CP Bayes networks.zip cd unzip Bayes networks.zip cd Bayes networks. We have provided you with a small subset of the microarray data that were published in a 2000 paper. Gash it all http://www.ncbi.nlm.nih.gov/pubmed/111025121. Gash et al. Explored gene expression changes in S. cerevisiae in response to a variety of environmental stresses, such as heat shock and oxidative stress. We have given you genexperdata.txt, which contains data for 12 of the genes included in the study, observed under these various stress conditions. We have also provided a simple script learn network.py, which will learn the network structure that best explains these data.